Hi, my name is Matt, and I'm currently working on a study for VR UI UX design. I'm currently working on an independent redesign of the user interface for Sail VR. Red Team Interactive is doing a great job. They were originally just one developer, but they've recently expanded to a total of 3 developers, and I'm excited to see what they do. I'm hoping to learn from their game and potentially make impactful recommendations. This video will be focusing on learning the layout of the game's user interface and documenting it to better understand it. This video will be starting with the wireframes of the menus as a guide going forward. In the beginning, they have a basic intro page that tells you just to click to get started, and then as soon as you get started, you move over to the main screen. The main screen is where the bulk of the decisions can be made, including play, settings, tutorials, quit, changelog, and Discord. I will be going through these out of order for the sake of organization, starting with the settings. Settings sends you to the settings menu. Has a lot of different settings to make the game more tolerable for the player. It also has a quit button, which has a simple exit function, has a changelog, which gives you a list of the most recent changes in the game. It also has a link to the Discord that opens in a separate internet browser. Moving on to the tutorial, once you click on the tutorial, it brings you into a new world. And this map has a lot of different components that helps the player understand what options are available to them. The tutorial world has many components that help the player understand the world they're going to be interacting with, including controls and inventory and map. There are 2 large pictures that help orient the players and let them play with the things that are in front of them to better familiarize themselves with the controls and the inventory and the map, and also the weapons. As you turn to your left, you'll see a video tutorial, which is surprisingly helpful. This video tutorial is about breaking crates. There are other video tutorials littered throughout this island. The other thing that people would notice is that on their hands they have a health number and a gold number. As you continue through the island, you'll notice more video tutorials such as ship control. As you use the ship controls, you'll go to the next small island, and another video tutorial will be return to ship. The one after that will be weapon orientation, continuing health potions, followed by treasure detector, and then shovel tool, clams, and finally chests. All of these video tutorials help orient the player to the user experience and what interactions are available to them. Moving back to the main menu, you'll see that there is a play. Once you click on the play, it goes into warning so that people understand that this game is currently in an alpha state and that there will be bugs and discrepancies. Moving past that, you'll see a save files menu, so you can have 3 different files. Clicking on one of the files will bring you into the entry area. This is a small cove that people can use at their leisure, and it has multiple components to it. As you enter, you'll see what I would call an info sail. It has gold stored, voyage types, latest voyage, voyage rewards, and objectives. The other interactions that the players have in the small entry area include a weapons shop, a ship upgrade, a ship customization, and the ability to sail through the veil to the open world. As you exit the entry area into the open world, you'll see an island directly in front of you, which leads you directly into it. On that island, there are multiple things to do, including fighting enemies, but one of the main things is in the middle. There is a shop area. In this shop area, the one notable is the ability to sell treasure that you have. I will also note that on the players, they have multiple user interface options, including their health number, their gold number, their inventory, their map, the weapon's left slot, the weapon slot left, and the weapon slot right. The ship's components include the steering wheel, the cannonball crate, the sail raise/lower, the sail turn, a barrel of water, a bucket of water, and a weapons box. This has been an overview of the basic components of Sail VR, just to gain a baseline understanding of how the game works.